What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is YoManAlberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be another MJ Monday. And you're wondering what is today's MJ Monday? Well, you already know because you clicked on the video, but today's MJ Monday is going to be a Jordan 1 Pollen. Now this shoe just came out recently, a couple weeks ago, as of this is the 21st as I'm filming. Not sure when I upload this, but the Pollens just came out like August 14th, I want to say. I was in Chicago when this happened. I took the W, came back home, and now I have them in my possession. So here they are. You can see right now we're currently laced up in the white, but I do have them also laced up in the black colorway or lace colorway. Now I have both. You guys let me know, comment down below which color you like more, because I am not too sure which one's the best. I'm stuck in between the white and the black, obviously, not the yellow, but more towards the white right now. But enough jibber jabbing, let's get into the actual review and then the on feet for you guys. Let's get it. So as far as sizing, typically with Jordan 1s, you're gonna wanna go your true size. If you go up half a size, I only recommend doing that with sneaker shields, or going down half a size for a snugger fit. But typically you wanna go your true size when getting Jordan 1s. Now as far as the leather on this, the black leather you see is actually really nice and soft. It's very plush, it's a very nice leather. I do think it was worth the money. Now the money you're asking, the price point, it retails for $170. Resale right now, you're looking about $250 or so, around that market. You might be able to get a steal, you might be paying a little bit more. Now sticking with the same theme, the yellow leather on this one is actually really soft as well. It's not gonna have that tumbled look, but it's gonna be a soft, smooth leather. And then as far as the paneling on this one, the majority of this is gonna be yellow, with black on the tongue, toe, and quarter panels. One nice piece of detailing right here on the tongue is the Nike Air tag. It's gonna be a mixture of that white, yellow, and black. So instead of the typical two-tone they have on these tags, it's actually gonna be a three-way colorway. And I actually like that detail a lot more. Now yellow is a color I do not mess with at all. I really actually hate yellow, but for some reason these actually gravitated me. Probably because I actually do love the Wu-Tang dunks. I missed out on the last Varsity Maze dunks with this colorway. So, and I love Jordan 1. So overall, it just seemed to be a good pickup for me. So if you guys want to see a how I style video for these, please let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know, because I would love to do a how I style video for you guys, but only if you want it. Now as far as comfort on a Jordan 1, I'd say all Jordan 1s are pretty comfy overall if you go your true size. Not like an all day, every day comfort, but just a nice overall, here I'm wearing this sneaker out, it's gonna be comfy. But yeah guys, that was the review portion of this really quickly. If I missed anything or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But now let's get into the on feet. Okay guys, come back from the on feet. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please definitely subscribe, as I do post Monday and Thursdays, and love to see you guys here on the next MJ Monday or the next video on Thursday. I am considered posting on some Saturdays or some other days during the week, so definitely come back for that. And if you want to see some more additional content every single day, follow my Instagram at YoManAlberto, where I do post daily content regarding sneakers, outfits, Jordans, and whatever else, you know. But thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. It's very much appreciated. Definitely share it with somebody who you think might like it. And like I said, comment down below as far as the laces or any questions you guys might have. But if you guys did like the video in general, please give it a thumbs up, as it does help boost me up in the algorithm and gets my channel to grow. So thank you very much for everybody here stopping by. It's your man Alberto. Stay fresh, stay fly. I'm out.